antibody alone and 3 antibodies together, then the 3 antibodies will be more effective. Materials: glass jar with lid, salt, measuring cup, measuring tablespoon, iron filings, magnetic tape, a ruler, scissors, plastic wrap, twist ties, a piece of paper, a digital camera, a digital scale, a camera, a calculator, lab notebook, and a pencil is what you'll need for this experiment. Procedure: fill jar with salt. 1. Fill jar with salt. 2. Add iron filings. 3. Put lid tightly on jar. 4. Mix. 5. Cut magnetic tape into 3 squares. So, 6. Cut plastic wrap. 7. Put magnetic tape in the middle of plastic wrap. 8. Pull ends of plastic wrap together. 9. Repeat steps 7 to 8. Toe more times.
2.
It says toe.
2.
2.
2 more times with other plastic wrap and magnet tape squares. Add antibodies, shake and weigh. Data and results. This is my.
Explain what that means. Just explain it. Explain what that
No
means.
antibody would literally do nothing. Antibody number 1. The first trial, it did 30 points. It weighed.
Just
30.
explain what one. Just explain what one antibody compared to 3 antibodies. What it does. Just explain it.
Just 1 would be terrible.
Okay.
It would help a little bit,
Mhm.
but I would recommend using 3
And why?
because it helps fight the flu better.
And how do you know that?
Because I did an experiment with it.
And what did it show?
It showed that the antibodies together weighed more than the alone antibodies.
Okay.
And here's some pictures.
Mhm.
Here's the graph. It's kind of the same as the data, but it's just like a more seeable way, more understandable way. Here's some of the materials I used. Conclusion: I learned that the antibodies do affect the weight or amount of virus is removed from the infected body. 1 antibody would have less weight than the 3 did together. I learned that more medicine helps fight the flu better. Therefore, the antibodies did affect the weight. I noted that when I flipped the jar 10 times, the iron filings grouped together because they are iron and magnetic. Applications: here's like germs, and here's they're just like pens, but like more syringe, in a more syringe look. I learned that the immune system helps the body fight off infections and diseases. The results of this experiment could be used to help doctors know how much medicine to give a patient based on the disease. I could use this knowledge to help me fight the flu and to let other scientists know that fighting the flu is important because if not treated, it could cause major problems and even death. In the real world, doctors could prescribe multiple medications to help fight the flu better. References: sciencebuddies.com, Google, and South Lake Hospital discharge paperwork.
Yay!
You are welcome. Stay sciencey. Bye.